Welcome back to Initial Speed. I'm your host once again, Phil, and today we're just doing something very generic, just changing the winter wheels over to the summer wheels for the wife. I'll do my car later. She's in a bit of a rush, so I'm just going to put the camera down and hop to it. I think when I do my car, maybe I'll get her to come out and ask questions, as well, I've been doing this for a long time, so I probably overlook simple questions. Simple to me, not simple questions, just simple to me. So let's get her summers on, her winters off, and hustle. All right, so in order to try to save some time, I'm going to jack up on the rear subframe, get both wheels off the ground, and try changing both left and right, one right after the other.
The officer was taken to Sunnybrook shoot for his arrest in 2018. Much of Beijing, as mass testing was expanded to 11 of the city's 6.
Okay, so I wanted to use the jack and raise the car up off of the subframe. Yes, you can do it off of the pinch weld, but I don't like doing it off the pinch weld because over time it gets weak. As you can see here, from taking it, I guess, to do the oil change or something, they've already chipped off some of the coating that sits on here. So 034 Motorsports and a few other places have cups that will sit over top of the pinch weld and sit inside the jack housing. So I'm going to make my own because, well, like I said, I don't want to destroy this, and getting under there is not going to happen. By the time I get it under there, I can't jack up on the lever. It's hitting the rocker. Now I made it out of wood because wood will bend and conform to the part. I think I have it. Let's get this thing finished. Okay, so just like that, just finished in time for her to grab the car and run off. Sorry you couldn't see the car in motion, but it's gone now. Just rinsed off the Jetta. Car's gone. And there's the Jetta. Just rinsed off because I hear it is supposed to have a frost warning tonight. Of course. So as per usual, thanks for watching this short one. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Till next time. Out.